Hello everyone, this is Ali from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Fruit Ninja to your Samsung Galaxy Note 2. For this, you need to unlock the phone. After that, you have to hit apps. So you have to find one app. It's called Google Play, Play Store, Android Market. Hit this one. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Android Market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please do that and come back here again. Here you have three options: apps, games, and books. Hit at games. At games, you have so many options: home, top paid, top free. Hit at top free, and you have to slide. As you see, Fruit Ninja. If you not find as this, hit the searching option, type the name of the game you want to download. Hit this one. Hit for install. Accept term and condition. It's downloading now. It's 47.79 megabyte. You have to wait a bit. And it's done. It's giving me two options. One is open, another is uninstall. I'm not going to open from here. I will hit home and menu button. After that, I will hit apps. I will drag. As you see, Fruit Ninja, hit this one. It's loading now. Some Chinese or Korean sign. Hit here, continue. New game. Okay. Okay, you have to touch and check how you can play this one. This is all, my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.